can't log out of your Apple ID or iCloud account because the sign out button is missing or grayed out, no need to worry. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the solutions. Connect to internet. Either turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi and then go to settings, then tap on Apple ID. Next, tap scroll down and see if the sign out button shows up. Solution 2, check for restrictions. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap screen time. Scroll down, tap content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down, then tap on accounts from allowed changes to section, and select allow. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3, update iOS. Open settings, tap general, select software update. If an update is available, tap download and install to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Solution 4, reset all settings. Open settings, tap general, scroll down, and select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then select reset all settings. Next, enter your passcode. Now tap reset all settings from here. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not being able to sign out of iCloud on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to ask for more support. As always, thanks for watching.